10 Early Signs and Symptoms of Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is a brain disease that causes a slow decline in memory, thinking, and reasoning skills. Here are 10 warning signs and symptoms you shouldn't ignore. 1. Challenges in planning or solving problems. This involves a decrease in the ability to develop and follow a plan or work with numbers. 2. Memory loss that disrupts daily life. Memory loss is the most commonly observed symptom of Alzheimer's disease. The person forgets recently learned information, names or appointments, but remembers them later. 3. Difficulty completing familiar tasks at home, at work or at leisure. Some simple and daily tasks like remembering the rules of a favorite game might be hard for a person with Alzheimer's disease. 4. Confusion with time or place. People with Alzheimer's disease may sometimes forget where they are or even get confused about the day of the week but will end up figuring it out. 5. Trouble understanding visual images and spatial relationships. There may be a decrease in the ability to read, judge distance and determining color or contrast. 6. Problems with words in speaking and writing. People with Alzheimer's may stop in the middle of a conversation and have no idea how to continue, or they may repeat themselves. 7. Misplacing things and losing the ability to retrace steps. People with Alzheimer's may lose things and be unable to go back over their steps to find them again. 8. Decreased or poor judgment. People with Alzheimer's may experience changes in judgment or decision making. For example, giving a large amount of money to cashiers. 9. Withdrawal from work or social activities. People with Alzheimer's may have trouble keeping up with their favorite hobbies and social groups. This may be as a result of them not remembering how to complete the hobby. 10. Changes in mood and personality. People with Alzheimer's can become confused, suspicious, depressed, fearful or anxious. This usually occurs when they are out of their comfort zone. Conclusion: if you have noticed any of the 10 warning signs of Alzheimer's in yourself or someone you know, don't ignore them. Schedule an appointment with your doctor. Please subscribe and share if you found this video interesting.